Hello, it's Sergey from Second Nature Workshop, and we almost finished to paint mask that was sculpted by designer from UK, and you all know who it is, but can you guess what mask it is?
Mixing rubber cement with brown oil paint and adding naphtha to make it more liquid. Brown color is too light, so need to add some black oil paint. Applying it with big brush all over the mask. After 5 minutes of drying, I wiped out paint from the top of the relief with paper towels and naphtha to left paint and deepings. Airbrushed orange color all over the mask to make it a bit brighter. Mixing green color and airbrushing it, just a little pit to mark parts that will be green. Mixing red color and airbrushing it on mouth and eyes. Airbrushing more green plus adding it on the mouth to make edges more dark. Airbrushing light orange on the mask, and mostly important between green and red, to make more smooth gradient. Reducing the pressure and to splatter paint on the mask, it will make colors more uneven and realistic. Mixing light white and applying it on the place between mouth and eyes. Also a little bit on the cheeks and forehead. Blur a very light layer from the distance, and again reducing the pressure and make splatters. More green. More light orange. Highlighting relief with light black. Finished.